right now we are using this cast iron griddle. So this is perfect to cook all kinds of things. Right now we are making some patties, as you can see. So you can use both sides. This one's just all flat, and then the other side has like a little bit of like ridges on it. But you can use either side just depending on whatever it is that you're cooking. And then this little portion right here is for basically all the oils to just slide in. But yeah, this works really great. You definitely just can't be putting it everywhere. It's good to just have it on one side, obviously over the fire, because in the middle right here, it won't really cook that well. But this does, other than that, this does really cook a lot. We find it a lot more better, to be honest, in a sense, than cooking it in the grill. But we just like the way that it comes out on here. It just ends up being like really juicy. Everything just stays in rather than it dripping out. And that's one of the good things about it. But yeah, so you can make all kinds of things on here. Right now we're making patties. You can definitely make some pancakes on here. Just like all kinds of breakfast or lunch or dinner. But if you don't have a griddle, I highly recommend getting one.